Struggling to catch your breath lately? Let's talk about some simple, natural ways to support your respiratory health. Hi, I'm Tessa from Simply Earth. Today I'm sharing some of my top essential oils that can help you breathe easier and feel better naturally. First, breathe easy. A great way to support your respiratory system. Just add a few drops to your diffuser and you're good to go. Next, eucalyptus. Perfect for opening your airways when you need it most, like after a long day or when seasons change. Third, black spruce. A perfect pick for balancing your immune system. A great pick for one of our aromatherapy inhalers. And finally, lemon myrtle. Great for supporting your immune system, keeping you balanced day in and day out. Looking for something fun to boost your health? Our DIY shower steamer kit has everything you need to make your own natural remedies. And it's so easy to use. Ready to breathe easier and feel better? Head on over to Simply Earth for these oils and more. Take control of your respiratory wellness today.